Hey everybody, it's Jeremy of Mountaineer Performance. We're excited to show you the latest build we just finished. This is the 2019 Mustang GT base, similar to the silver car that we did originally, but this one has a couple extra features to it. Of course, you have the Phase 1 supercharger underneath the hood and the Roush axleback like the silver one, but this one has a Steeda Autosports X-pipe on it, as well as the Steeda Autosports lowering kit at about 2 inches all the way around, which gives this car a mean sound and a mean look. The MSRP with all the extras on this is a little over $48,000. We've got this car marked down after rebates and everything for $43,644. Killer price for the mean stance, 710 horsepower, 610 foot-pound of torque, and having 629 at the wheels before the break-in period. It's a killer price of the killer car. One of a kind. This Kona blue with the black accent package is beautiful. Little touches everywhere, including pride of this country and American flag on the rear. So come on down, check out this car. Come see me here at Mountaineer Performance, where we build performance. Take this thing home with you.